The most representative arts of the 20th century, such as cinema and photography, were made on supports derived from cellulose. Unfortunately, this is a chemically unstable material which has caused the destruction of a large part of these cultural heritages, and it threatens their long-term conservation due to the decomposition of nitrocellulose and the release of acetic acid from cellulose acetates, also called the vinegar syndrome. The European project NEMOSINE is developing a modular system for preventive conservation to avoid this problem.
NEMOSINE aims to improve the traditional storage solutions to preserve the 20th century cultural heritage based on cellulose materials such as films and photographs, by developing an innovative smart package with the main goal of energy saving and extend conservation time.
The system consists of an intelligent container in which are integrated absorbents that capture the gases released by the materials. These layers guarantee a great absorption capacity as they are formed by open cells foams developed on metal organic frameworks materials. You can also integrate fungicides in the container that will cure the films from fungi and microorganisms attacks. NEMOSINE has developed a sensor that measures the levels of oxide and nitric acid or acetic acid that are inside the container, and also in the surrounding space when these sensors are installed in the different areas in which the vault is subdivided. The cellulose acetate-based film's degradation prediction is based on a multi-scale hybrid model. The sensor sends these data to the cloud, where the NEMOSINE software processes them, along with the physical-chemical characteristics of the material checked. The program indicates to the user the assessment of its state of conservation and alerts the conservators to risk situations so that the appropriate conservation decisions can be made.
NEMOSINE Consortium is composed by a total of 16 partners from all around of Europe. Research groups, film archives, and industrial partners working together to achieve an innovative solution for the preservation of film and photographs.
The absorbers, sensors and packages have been validated by the 3 film and sound archives of the project, who have also advised on the metadata to be processed by the NEMOSINE software. NEMOSINE is an aid for the preventive conservation of film and photographic collections, as it creates a degradation model which will allow curators to anticipate the deterioration of cultural heritage works based on cellulose derivatives.